Dadar is upgrading the Kohinoor Square, Mumbai's first mixed-use development project. Mixed-use development has emerged as a new trend in global cities. Keeping pace with this new paradigm shift in urban living, the iconic Kohinoor Square has put Mumbai and Dadar on the world stage. Sprawled across 2.6 million square feet on 5 acres of land, Kohinoor Square has earned the state of housing one of India's tallest commercial towers. The residential tower abuts its fraternal twin. Apart from luxury residences, this project will see a heady mix of high street retail arenas, signature dining spaces, and 10 floors of parking at the most strategic location in Mumbai. The Chambers Small Offices is a part of the iconic Kohinoor Square, one of the tallest mixed-use development projects in India, situated from the 4th to the 13th floor in the commercial tower. Office space is starting from 767 square feet RERA carpet area, 10 floors of conventional parking space for over 1800 cars, super fast elevators with a compass navigation system. Ideal for entrepreneurs, professionals, lawyers, doctors, architectural firms, etc. Ensures great rental yields 7% and above. Sunlit architecture and fabulous views of the entire city, strategically located in the heart of the city. The property is accessible with ease from both the Eastern and Western Express highways. Dadar railway station is just a short walk away, offering access to Western and Central Railway. Also, the upcoming Dadar metro station is just across the street, ensuring connectivity and convenience. The salient features are the brilliant design by GKK Works USA and SSA Architects, planned for gold LEED rating, parking for approximately 1823 vehicles, state-of-the-art security and safety management with a non-intrusive security detail, over 20% energy efficiency as compared to conventional buildings, translating into cost and energy saving. Facade glazing designed for optimal exterior view and maximizing interior cooling and natural light. Compass management system for efficient vertical transportation. Separate energy center to house utilities. So we are checking one of the commercial units on rent and sale in Kohinoor Square. This is about 1000 square feet usable carpet and 3.9 meters ceiling height, approx 12 feet. So you got the server rooms there. This is a well done basic office space. If somebody wants to come and buy or rent this one, this is at a very premium location. Let's go ahead and check what we have. It's about 1000, as I said, usable, and the flooring and the painting has been done. The rest can be done by the buyer or the one taking on lease. It's got a great view. Kohinoor Square is a very popular building and a preeminent in Dadar. So we are in Dadar in one of the locations, Dadar West, and let's have a look at this way. So that's where we enter from. That was the server rooms. We got some more view as well. The residential is coming on the other side, and it's self-contained. So all the offices would be self-contained. 49-story commercial tower with retail spaces and offices and whatnot. So that's a big washroom, big one actually. Look at the ceiling height. So that's where we are now, and beautiful. Can't get out of. So this is a niche area. So what people have done is use this for filing. So you can put your files and put stuff inside, or people have used for sitting. So you can sit, this is the glass, you can sit here and enjoy the beautiful panoramic view of Dadar. So I'm doing it for the first time in Dadar, so I don't know much about it, but I've studied in Dadar Catering College, which is nearby, so brings back a lot of memories for me and whoever's been studying here in the colleges around. But yeah, this is a beauty. I'm just gobsmacked Rafiq Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. If you want to rent or sell, holla at me. Cheers.